I'll never forget the time a stuck caster on a cheap wooden creeper left me pinned under a leaking transmission. Oil everywhere, my back screaming, and wheels completely jammed on a single zip tie. Finding a mechanic creeper that actually rolls over debris, supports your spine, and doesn't collapse is a frustrating nightmare. Most of them look identical online, but fail in the real world. I've bought, tested, and abused the top creepers on the market to save you the headache. Stay tuned, because the number one spot completely changed how I work in the garage. 5. DNA Motoring Tools 00005. When I first pulled this 36-inch plastic creeper out of the box, I was immediately drawn to its lightweight nature and molded design. It features a bright red, impact-resistant plastic body equipped with a built-in padded headrest. It is meant to be that grab-and-go solution for quick oil changes or brief inspections, designed specifically to contour to your back while keeping the overall profile as low to the ground as possible. While testing this unit on a standard weekend brake job, I did appreciate the dual molded-in tool trays situated right alongside your torso. Having a designated spot to drop a 10mm socket without it rolling away into the dark abyss of the garage floor is always a welcome feature. The shoulder clearance is also surprisingly adequate, allowing me to reach up and torque down bolts without feeling entirely restricted by the side rails, which is a common issue with traditional heavy-duty steel creepers. However, my real-world testing quickly revealed some glaring frustrations that firmly keep this unit at the bottom of our list. The 6 swivel casters are undeniably on the smaller side, measuring only a couple of inches. The moment I encounter a rogue zip tie, a slightly uneven concrete seam, or even an extension cord, this creeper came to a violent, abrupt halt. You find yourself having to physically lift your weight off the board just to shimmy past minor debris, which completely ruins your workflow and strains your lower back. Furthermore, while the plastic construction makes it remarkably easy to carry around and hang on the wall, it flexes a bit more than I am comfortable with. If you're a larger guy or wearing heavy winter work clothes, that plastic body bows significantly in the center. 4. Automotive Foldable Z. The concept behind this product is fantastic, aiming to give you 2 essential garage tools in one single package. By utilizing a hinged, folding frame mechanism, this 40-inch creeper can quickly transform from a standard flat rolling board into an upright mechanic seat. The frame is constructed from tubular steel, and it features a thick vinyl-covered foam pad designed to support you whether you're laying under an oil pan or sitting up to polish a fender. When I first converted the M-Auto into its seat configuration to tackle a long brake bleeding session, the convenience factor was undeniable. Instead of dragging around a separate shop stool and a creeper, having everything built into one unit saves precious floor space in a cramped home garage. The transition process involves pulling a locking pin and folding the frame onto itself, locking it securely into an elevated Z-shape that puts you right at the perfect height for wheel well work. Unfortunately, the execution leaves quite a bit to be desired once you start putting some serious hours on it. The padding, while it looks thick in the photos, compresses very quickly under your body weight. After about 20 minutes of laying flat to inspect an exhaust system, I could distinctly feel the hard tubular steel crossbars digging into my shoulder blades. The vinyl covering also feels a bit thin, and I noticed it started to stretch and show signs of stress around the staples after just a few weeks of sliding on and off of it in dirty overalls. Another significant drawback I experienced during my testing is the overall rigidity of the frame when fully extended. 3. JEGS B078WJ9SPH. Like the previous entry, this is also a Z-style folding creeper that doubles as a mechanic seat, but the leap in build quality is immediately apparent the moment you assemble it. JEGS has a long-standing reputation in the automotive world, and they built this unit with a much more robust steel frame that boasts a solid 300-pound weight capacity. The powder-coated finish feels durable, ready to resist the harsh chemicals and inevitable tool drops that happen in any busy workshop. taking this creeper under the chassis of a classic muscle car. The difference in frame stability was a massive breath of fresh air. When laying flat, the locking mechanism holds the middle hinge incredibly tight, completely eliminating that unnerving sagging feeling I experience with cheaper alternatives. You can aggressively push off the tires to slide yourself back and forth, and the JEGS creeper responds as one solid, cohesive unit rather than feeling like a flimsy folding chair waiting to collapse. The comfort level on this model is also a significant step up. The high-density foam padding holds its shape brilliantly, distributing your weight evenly across the entire surface. I spent over an hour underneath the truck working on a drive shaft, and my back felt completely supported the entire time. The headrest area is slightly elevated, giving your neck a much-needed break from straining upwards to see your workspace, which dramatically reduces fatigue during those tedious, time-consuming undercarriage repairs. In its seat configuration, the JEGS Creeper truly shines as a stable and reliable shop stool. The 6 swivel casters roll much smoother than the budget options, allowing you to easily glide around a vehicle while detailing or doing brake work. 2. Traxion King Crawler. This creeper was designed to tackle the single most infuriating problem mechanics face: rolling over debris. Traxion completely threw away the traditional tiny wheel design and equipped this heavy-duty 40-inch creeper with a set of massive 5-inch all-terrain casters. The frame is constructed from heavy-gauge steel tubing, and it utilizes a unique drop-deck design to keep your center of gravity low despite the giant wheels. Testing the King Crawler was an absolute revelation. I intentionally left air hoses, thick extension cords, scattered zip ties, and even some scattered lug nuts on the garage floor to see what it could handle. The Traxion rolled over every single obstacle like a monster truck crushing cars at a rally. You no longer have to carefully sweep your entire workspace before sliding under your vehicle. The smooth, uninterrupted rolling motion completely eliminates the sudden, back-jarring stops that plague almost every other creeper on the market. You might assume that with such large wheels, you would lose precious clearance underneath the car, but Traxion engineered a brilliant drop deck frame to solve this. The padded bed actually sits lower than the top of the wheels, sinking you down close to the floor. I found that I still had plenty of room to operate a heavy half-inch impact wrench under a standard sedan without feeling claustrophobic. The V-drop design in the shoulder area also allows for an excellent range of motion for your arms. The durability and comfort of the King Crawler are strictly top tier. The padding is thick, resilient, and wrapped in a tough, easy-to-clean vinyl that repels oil and grease effortlessly. With a staggering 400-pound weight capacity, this unit feels absolutely indestructible. 1. Omega 91452. This isn't just another folding mechanic seat. It is a masterclass in heavy-duty shop equipment. Boasting a massive 450-pound weight capacity, the Omega is built from thick, heavy-duty square steel tubing that instantly commands respect. It measures a full 40 inches in length, and every single hinge, bolt, and weld on this tool screams premium, professional-grade quality. When I put the Omega through its paces, I was absolutely blown away by its unshakable stability. Laying flat under a heavy diesel truck, the board feels as solid as the concrete floor beneath it. There is zero flex, zero bowing, and absolutely no rattling. The custom-designed 3-inch polyurethane casters are a stroke of engineering genius. They are large enough to easily conquer floor cracks and stray bolts, yet they are incredibly smooth, allowing you to glide effortlessly across the shop floor with the gentlest push of your boot. But where the Omega 91452 truly distances itself from the competition is its flawless execution of the Z Creeper design. With a simple pull of a heavy-duty, spring-loaded pin, this unit folds up into the most comfortable and stable mechanic seat I have ever used. Unlike other models that feel wobbly or precarious in the upright position, the Omega feels like it is bolted to the ground. You can confidently lean over, apply heavy torque to a stubborn bolt, and the seat will not tip or slide away from you. The padding on the Omega is exceptionally thick, offering a plush, supportive layer that completely conforms to your body, making long, agonizing engine pulls far more bearable. The dark, sleek black vinyl finish is highly resistant to punctures and wipes clean in seconds. Ultra. That's all for today.